everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious corn recipe. I will show you 4 different ways and you will see how simply we can make it delicious. And let's get started. First I will open it. This is the fresh corn and we have 8 of these. I will show you 4 different ways of making a delicious and simple corn recipe. 2 we're going to boil it in the water, 2 we're going to use for microwave, 2 we're going to use it on the gas burner, and then 2 we're going to use countertop oven. So the first step will be I'm going to wash with the cold water. It's a good idea to wash it. So we're going to make sure that we drain it fully and leave it on a countertop for a couple of minutes so the water can drain out. It's a good idea to get a paper towel and just make sure that there's no more water. Moving on to second step. The first one will be for the water. You need enough water so that the corn can soak in. Add salt. And now we're going to put it on the gas and bring the water to boil. Once the water started to boil, we're going to put the corn inside. Start gas, place pot on the gas, and now we're going to bring the water to boil. Second one will be the microwave. Put it on the plate. Now we're going to place it in microwave for 5 minutes. In the microwave, do it for 5 minutes. And these 2, we'll put it on gas burner. It's a good idea if you have a metal skewers, you put it on, then you can turn it around like this. These 2 will go on the gas. So let's take this one to our gas burner. And these 2 are melted butter. We're going to add sriracha. This is going to be hot. Parsley flake. And this is all we need, and mix it well. Get a brush. Once it's fully coated, now we'll place this one in oven. I will use a countertop oven. Place the tray right in the middle rack. Close it, and we're going to use the turbo convection. Bring the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to start it. So once it's going to preheat, we're going to keep eye on it, and we're going to turn these over. As the water started to boil, I'll open it. I'll place the corn inside. Cover with the lid again. So we're going to leave it for 5 minutes. I'll bring on the gas burner. And now we're going to cook these. It does not take that long. It starts cooking real fast, but you have to watch out that you don't let it burn. Don't let it sit too long, otherwise you will get burned. So as you see, it's nicely done on both sides. If you don't have the metal skewers like I have, you can use a pair of tongs. You can do it like this. A little more left on this side. So once it's done, I'll share with you. I'm going to turn these over. So it's all done. I'm going to take it out. Wow. Smells so good. These 2, we did it in a microwave. These 2, we did it in countertop oven. This is the one we did it on burner. And these 2 in the water. Make sure that there is no more water. Just pull it out. My favorite is this one. You can use a butter on top of it like this. Strictly optional. You can skip it altogether if you don't like butter. If you like butter, just put a little bit of butter on it, just like this. Put some lemon juice, each one of them. You can use salt and black pepper. On this one, we don't need to because we have a sriracha unless you want it really hot. You like it. Put some salt. One thing I wanted to share with you, which is you can use a Parmesan cheese. Put some Parmesan cheese on the plate and cover with Parmesan cheese. And try it this way, and please share your comments below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.